Let's learn how to insert into database table using Python. So first of all, what we need to do is to open the table or to create a table in a database environment, as you can see. So we identify the database we want to create the table in, as you can see. So the one we created in the previous video, I will encourage you to watch that video before this one. So the link is in the description of this video. So create a table with this script. So say create table, register underscore table, then user ID, name, age, gender. I've also done videos on how to work with database and so on. So if you run this one now, so you see that the table is created, as you can see, under within the Python DB, as you can see right here. All right, so let's go write the script. You can see that there's something here now. Okay, it's empty for now. So let's go write the script. So this was what we did earlier. So we'll create a new file now. So this file, we'll call it insert_data.py, that's the py, as you can see. So once you have done that, so the next thing you need to do, so of course press enter, and it opens like this. So as soon as it opens like this, so that is insert_data.py, insert_data.py. Okay, so once you have done that, so what we now need to do, we want to utilize the previous code we wrote, which is called connect to database.py. So as you can see, so what we need to do now, say from connect to database import, we are going to import the function that we created earlier. Okay, so in that other file, so we now say connection, so create a variable called connection. So this connection equal to connect, we now say connection equal to connect to database, that function that is in the other file, that is in the connect dot, that is in connect to database.py. Okay, so we don't want to be creating this all the time, so we want to create the connection separately so that we can utilize it in other pages or in other files. Okay, so after we have imported it, we have created a function for we have created the variable to hold the function. So now we'll create an object called cursor equals connection.cursor. So we'll create an object for the cursor. All right, so then the next we need to do is to create the various parameters. That is what we want to insert into the database. We are inserting name, we are going to be inserting age and gender. So just for the test, so that to make this video short, so we say age, name, age, gender. So this one will allow us to, the system will run and ask us to enter our name, our age, and our gender once we run it. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, so let's quickly get that done. Okay, so once you do that, so the next you need to do is to create a query string that will insert the record. You will say insert into, that's query string equal to insert into register table, then the various parameter which you have as name, age, gender. Then we'll put the various placeholder in the various placeholders in the values, as you can see right here. So where you have that percentage as, that's percentage string, and percentage string. So there are three. So as you can see, name, age, and gender, like you can see here. All right. So the next thing we need to do is to create the data. So like an array of data, so which will have the parameters, will hold the parameters. They will now say that cursor we created earlier, we'll now say cursor.execute many. Then we'll bring in, passing that query string, then with that data that we created, that data array that we created earlier. Okay, they will now say connection.commit, that literally save the transaction. They will now say cursor.close, then connection.close, because you need to close the database that was open. Then after that, you just print a response to show that it has been saved. We now say print data saved successfully. Okay, so once you have done that, so what we need to do is to run it. Let's see. Okay, so you see the connection here. Where we bring in the when we import the library or the file, then we'll create the various parameters here. Then we'll create the query string. Then here we'll create the data array. Then bring in the cursor, then pass in the query string and data, then we'll commit the transaction, then close the cursor and close the connection. All right, so that's basically what you have. So let's run it and see how it looks. So click on run. Then once you click on run, it shows like this. Then enter your name. So enter John Doe, then press enter. Enter age. Let me zoom in a little bit. Then enter age, enter the gender. See that it has been successfully saved. So let's go to the database now. So as you can see, so let me refresh this. Let me click on browse. So clicking on browse, okay, look at that. So click on browse, look at that. See that what I entered earlier from Python code. You see that it comes here from the Python program. See that it is saved here. So you can just add more. Let's add another one. Let's run it again and add another one. Let me clear this screen. So click on close that out, then click on run again to enter a new name, then enter age, enter gender, then press enter. So once you do that, you see that it's saved successfully. So if you go to the database back now, so what you see is this. So refresh it, click on browse. So once you do that, you see that it opens and it shows you what we just enter. So that is how to insert records into database using Python. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video, share it, and thank you for watching. See you in another video.